Hi, my name's Haley Murray. I'm in CSE 111. Once again, my audio is not working, so I'm going to do a voiceover. But I'm going to show you how to do JOptionPane in Java. So first, we're going to create a new file by doing Control-N. Then I'm going to do a little comment up here to just help me keep organized. All right, and then I did Control-S, and now I'm naming it. I just did my jop.java, my job. All right, now I'm starting. First, I have to import javax.swing.joption to make sure that I get the JOption function within my code. All right, now I'm going to start with the class names. Going to do class JOp, or my JOp, and then do my main. Do a little shortcut. All right, now I'm going to start initializing variables. So I'm going to string in an output. We know it's going to be a word, so we're doing quotations. And then I'm going to string in, I'm going to string in the username. Because at one point we're going to ask the player, or whoever's making the decision, to put in their name. And the output is going to be just, welcome to my tutorial. It's going to be the title that pops up on the pane. Gonna put a cute little smiley face at the end. All right, and then we're going to initialize an answer because we're gonna also give them a choice. As you can see, I made an error here. I'll come back and fix it later, don't worry. All right, and now we start with the JOption. Here's where we integrate it. So first we're just going to, we already welcomed them, and now we're going to ask them for their name. So we'll do show message dialog. Forgot how to spell dialogue for a minute. We'll do null output. And now output equals, and then this is what we're going to ask the user. So what's your name? All right, and then the username, we're going to set it equal to JOptionPane show input dialog, because we're showing the input of what the user put in, or which is what the user put in. Bit of a slow typer, if you haven't noticed. Almost done with this line. Requires a little bit of thinking. All right. So now once they put in their name, we're going to put in a code for what the pane is going to tell them after they enter it. So we're going to say hi and then leave a little space so the spacing doesn't look weird. Plus username, because we don't know their name yet. So we're just going to put the variable there instead. And then we're going to start those quotes again, little comma. Is this tutorial helping is what I'm going to put in there. And don't forget your semicolon. And then answer is going, JOptionPane, show confirm dialog. Now, this means that we're going to give the user a choice. So they're either going to click yes or no, which in the next line, you'll see where we integrate yes, no. Everything goes purple for a minute. That's okay, because we're not done yet. All right, I just put in the word tutorial. All right, and this is where we integrate the choices. And you have to put it in all caps. Spelled that wrong. There's going to be lots of misspellings here. All right, and now we have to prepare scenarios for what they choose. So if the answer is 0, so 0 would be yes. in this scenario. So the tutorial is helping them. We're going to want to give them a response. All right, so the output is going to be good. Thanks for the feedback. All right, and then we got to put JOptionPane, show message dialog, so that it displays this to the user. There we go. All right, and now we need to prepare for if they answer no, that this tutorial did not help them, which hopefully nobody would click that. But just in case they do, we need an else statement underneath our if. So else would essentially be anything other than the answer being yes. But in this case, we only have to prepare for one other answer, which is no. So we just need one else statement. So we're going to put out to them, sorry to hear that. Have a nice day, just to keep it polite, even though the tutorial didn't help them. All right, then we're going to do show message dialog once again so that the user can actually see this. All right, and then this is very important, that if they click no, the system is going to exit. So we'll just type in system.exit and then put 0 in parentheses. Now, there might be a couple errors in here, so we're going to try running it, and we're going to see what happens. I'm going to close a couple windows first. There we go. We're just going to clear it out, start from scratch. Okay. So first we need to find the file and make sure it's under the right folder that we want it underneath. I'm going to put this one under a folder called Classworks. So I'm going to open it in the terminal, right-click it. Now Java C means compile. I'm going to type in the title of the file. It says file not found. So that means, if you notice, we just opened it in CSE 111 instead of Classworks. So you can fix this by typing in cd Classworks. It'll take you directly to that folder. All right, now we can type it in again. Remember in the beginning when I messed up, got to go back and fix that. All right, now let's try it. Yes, this should work. We're just going to do the class name. All right. My name is Haley. So I'm going to enter that. Hi, Haley, is this tutorial helping? Yes, good. Thanks for feedback. And now we're going to see what happens if the user clicks no, which hopefully would not happen. Because of that else statement, the system closes. All right, and that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.